Coolio, the Gangsta's Paradise rap star, has passed away at age 59. The cause of his death has not yet been confirmed. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities.
I seen places and faces and things you ain't never thought about thinking. If you ain't peeped, then you must be drinking and smoking. Pretending that you're loking, but you're broken. Let me get you open. Now little Jimmy got a diploma and little Jimmy got life. And Tamika around the corner just took her first hit off the pipe. The other homie shot the other homie and ran off with his money. And when the other homies heard about it, they thought that it was funny. But who's the dummy? Cause now you done lost a hustler. A down-ass brother that been replaced by a buster. And though I got love for you, I know I can't trust you. Cause my crew is rolling Hummers and your crew is rolling Dusters. And just because of that, you act like you don't like a brother no more. I guess that's just the way it go. I ain't trying to preach. I believe I can reach, but your mind ain't prepared. I see you when you get there. I see you when you get there. If you ever get there.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. US rap star Coolio, known for his iconic hit Gangsta's Paradise, has passed away at age 59. His longtime manager Jerez Posey told US media that the artist was found unresponsive on the bathroom floor of a friend's house in Los Angeles. Coolio started making music in the 1980s, but he cemented his place in hip-hop history when he recorded Gangsta's Paradise in 1995. The exact cause of his passing on Wednesday has not yet been revealed. However, his manager told a media outlet which first reported the news that paramedics believe that he might have suffered a cardiac arrest. Coolio, whose real name is artist Leon Ivory Jr., won a Grammy for Gangsta's Paradise, which was part of the soundtrack for the movie Dangerous Minds. The wonderful track continues to be widely listened to and has just passed 1 billion views on Spotify according to a media outlet. Over a career spanning 4 decades, he recorded 8 studio albums and won an American Music Award and 3 MTV Music Video Awards. We here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our heartfelt and sincere condolences to his family and friends. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Thanks for watching.